How to become a lactation consultant in Malaysia. If you're looking for a career in which you can help new mothers and infants, becoming a lactation consultant may be the perfect choice for you. Malaysia is in need of qualified lactation consultants, so this is an excellent opportunity to start a rewarding career. In this article, we will discuss how to become a lactation consultant in Malaysia and what steps you need to take to get started. Let's get started. To become a lactation consultant in Malaysia, you will need to complete an accredited lactation consultant certification program. There are many programs available online and in person, so be sure to do your research to find the best option for you. The International Lactation Consultant Association, ILCA, is a good resource for finding accredited programs. Once you have completed a certification program, you will need to become registered with the Malaysian Ministry of Health. You can do this by submitting an application and paying the required fee. The process can take some time, so be sure to start early. Finally, you will need to complete a training program in breastfeeding counseling. This training is offered by the Malaysian Ministry of Health and covers topics such as how to assess a mother's breastfeeding needs, how to counsel mothers on breastfeeding, and how to resolve common breastfeeding problems. Once you have completed all of these steps, you will be ready to start your career as a lactation consultant in Malaysia. Be sure to keep up with the latest news and updates from the Malaysian Ministry of Health, as they may change the requirements for lactation consultants in the future. Good luck!